What's up guys, JT over at Team FAS Motorsports. Thanks for coming back to the channel, checking us out. Today's video, we are finally getting ready for our winter riding season. So what that means to us here in New York, it's about 60 degrees. Most people here on the East Coast are getting ready with their plows and stuff, which we have to do as well. But we're loading up our trailer, heading out to Glamis for Camp RZR like we do every year. The machines stay out in Glamis for the winter, so we're able to go back and forth a couple times and get some riding in out in the dunes. But we have our Pro R loaded up. We have to bring it over to the shop, put new Sandcraft paddles on it. I want to do a new belt and blow out all the clutches, check all our fluids. So we're going to go ahead and do that, get some stuff packed up, and we'll see you over at the shop. All right, so now we're over at the shop, pulled the RZR in. I got a couple things to do here. We got a brand new Polaris OEM boat we got to put on. Belt on this is fine, but being that we live all the way in New York and this is going to be in California for the winter, I'd just rather put a brand new belt on at the beginning of the season, keep these two as spares when we get out there, and kind of like peace of mind. And then last year, I popped a hole in one of my paddles. They're about 3-4 years old anyway, so hooked up at Sandcraft, got some brand new destroyers, 32-inch. So these things are perfect for the Pro R. So we're gonna have to mount these up, do a couple other things. And I got a 3-page list of other stuff that we normally just pack to get out there with. And you know, some of the stuff we do keep out there, tools, bedding, stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get these mounted up, get the belt on, and start packing. All right, what's up guys? So last video you saw we had our machine in the shop, getting ready to put some paddle tires on it. That's all done. We just got so busy I didn't get to film that part, but paddle tires are on. We washed up the machine. We're 6 a.m. here in New York. It's about 37 degrees, getting ready to head down. We have to load down in Jersey today. It's about a 3-hour drive for us, but that's where we're meeting up, getting the machines loaded. So got the enclosed all packed here. Got a couple last bags to throw in there, and then we will get these things on the trailer and get ready to fly out, meet these in California and Camp RZR Glamis. So I'm gonna try to get you guys some footage of us loading up. There's I think there's a total of 3 trailers going out, so we'll have a couple side-by-sides, a bunch of quads, some dirt bikes. So hopefully when we get down to Jersey, I'll take some more video, or at least maybe let the camera run and just do like a time lapse or something. So we'll catch you down there. We're gonna hit the road. All right guys, so that's it. Short video today, but we just got super busy loading that trailer, so I couldn't really take too much footage. I think I got a couple shots maybe someone took of us pulling the RZR in and out or whatever. But yeah, just a lot of packing, got everything done. We're back up here in upstate New York again. So we were on the road from 7 o'clock this morning. It's about 5:30 right now. But overall it went smooth. Everything's packed up. It's leaving for Glamis. And next video will be out probably of us heading over to the airport and to the dunes and all that stuff. Get that all done. I'm going to see if I can upload that while we're out in the desert. The service there is pretty terrible, but one of my buddies got a Starlink, so hopefully I'll be able to use that and get a video uploaded of the trip out there, airport, you know, driving from San Diego picking up the machines in our RV and all that stuff and getting set up at camp. So next time you'll see us, we'll be in sunny San Diego, getting ready to go to Glamis. So we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate it. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of content coming. Might be able to hook up with some other content creators while we're out there. We got a bunch of brand new merch on the merch store. So you can go to teamfas.shop and check that out. And again, we appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.